Good morning all, respected chairman sir, secretary ma'am, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Diktima Debishri Panda from class 3. My school name is Gurukul International Public School. Today I am going to say some few lines about Independence Day. Independence Day is a very special day for all Indians. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. On 15th August 1947, India got independence from British rule. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for independence. Many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Bakshi Jagabandhu, Sarada Devi, Rama Devi, Annapurna Maharana, Lakshmana Nayak, Baji Raut, Maruti Chaudhary, Hare Krishna Mahtab, Veera Surendra Sai, and millions of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to make India an independent nation. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the British intervened in the political power of India, and for 190 years, the British used the Indian army in various fields. The prosperity of our country continues to be looted, but behind the achievement of our country, there are very difficult and bloody history. The role of freedom struggle leaders are immense to protect the sovereignty of the country. During British rule in India, the important struggles are Sepoy Mutiny, the first war of independence, 1857, the Indian National Congress, 1885, partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement, 1905. The Indian Home Rule Movement, 1916. Lucknow Park, 1916. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 1919. Khilafat Movement, 1920. Chori Chora Incident, 1922. Non-Cooperation Movement, 1922. Dandi March, 1930. Civil Disobedience Movement, 1930. Quit India Movement, 1942, etc. At last, when the British left India and returned to their own country, then the Viceroy Lord Mountbatten handed over the governance of the country to the Indians. After that, India got independence on 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hosts national flag at Red Fort, New Delhi. On this day, India is celebrated with flag raising ceremonies and Indians stand straight to sing the national anthem of India. On this day, various cultural programs are organized by schools, colleges and government institutions. Today we are free citizens of a free country. This day is the greatest day of our country. As an Indian, we should feel proud and try our best to protect the honor of the country. It is our duty